seafoods. And that's a crawfish. And steak. Tenderloin. That's Madam Grace over there. Yeah. Yes. Masarap ang pagkain dito. Ang papapayat siya. Ito, kung ayaw manuto nila, you can just pick anything that you want. So, for food. Oh, look at the salmon. So big.
Hello!
Say hi.
Salmon ba?
Vlog ko kayo.
Hi! Say! The vlog.
Oh, from
Yusuf.
Tunisia.
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 Very handsome guy.
Yeah. Tunisia. That's what I'm doing.
What do you say?
No.
Very look at all those fruits. Oh my gosh. These are the pizza. Oh, look at that. Just hi, Kuya, mga Philippines. Say hi. That's our appetizer.
I'm already here? No. Like my November.
Okay, that's a piasa. Meron na naman mamayang party. And see? Ito pa ng dami. Meron tayo ng rice. Just turo mo lang. And then they will reheat it. Ito, gusto ko ito. Double chocolate cookies. Hindi tayo mamaya.